Hello people, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. Great product. We love it. It's just an amazing product. Functionality wise, this thing does so much stuff. It's just, it'll blow your mind away. Counts your steps. It'll give you news briefings if you want news briefings. Check out the music option. This music option is just unbelievably awesome. So you can't really pump up a nightclub with it, but it's got a pretty good sound quality. You can add widgets if you want. Also, it's got a really nice calendar in here. You can basically go into your calendar, check out the day if you want. It'll tell you, you know, create notes on there for you to remember. And you can access all the apps here. Right? I think you can just keep going. Whatever apps you want, you can add on there. So anyway, now there's a problem that I have with this product. The issue that I have with this product is that I recently got it and I dropped it once from about 2 to 3 feet totally by accident. And look at that. So that's a little bit of a disappointment from just a one-time fall. So then, you know, I hope the next one that comes out won't have this kind of an issue. It's supposed to be really durable, and it is. And I'm not supposed to drop it, but you know, it should be pretty durable. You should be able to drop it once. From the number of times you pick up your watch and put it on and off and off and on and on and off and all that, eventually you'll probably just drop it once, right? So hopefully next time they will fix that so it doesn't happen from just 1 or 2 falls. At any rate, so I ended up getting this plastic cover that you see on there, because that doesn't come with this product. It's basically a plastic cover that goes over the watch to absorb a little bit of the shock from the fall, and it's great. It really does work pretty well. That's it. So you've got it. In case you're thinking about buying the watch, make sure you get this item so that if it does fall, you don't have to deal with having this expensive watch break on you. You could find it on eBay. There you have it, people. Wait, I forgot. So this is the plastic item. Just wanted to show you. You just put it in between the 2 opening parts in the plastic and just stretch it over and it'll go on. One last thing, this is the charging dock. Basically, you take the watch, place it on, red light turns on, it starts charging, and it will tell you, I think, yeah, how many percent is left to finish charge, and has the time on there. The only thing is, you know, you will need to charge this thing depending on how much you use it. If a lot, probably once every 2 days or something. So just keep that in mind. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video.